Episode 2, Jobsite Showcase, Framing Day Behind the Scenes. Welcome back to Samson Construction TV. In today's episode, we're going behind the scenes on one of the most exciting days at a job site, Framing Day. This is the stage when ideas from blueprints start taking physical shape. Framing is like giving a building its skeleton, the structure that holds everything else in place. For many of our clients, this is the first moment they truly see their project come alive. So today, we'll walk you through what framing means, how it's done, and why it matters so much. 1. What framing really is. Framing is the process of building the structural skeleton of a building. Think of it as the bones of a human body. Without them, there's no shape, no strength, no function. In residential and light commercial projects, that usually means a wood or metal stud framework. In larger projects, it can mean heavy timber or steel frames. But whatever the material, the purpose is the same. Framing defines the proportions, lays out the rooms, and creates the framework for walls, floors, and roofs. 2. Preparation. Before the first stud goes up. Before any lumber gets nailed or any steel gets bolted, there's prep work. The crew checks the foundation for level and square, because if the base isn't right, the frame will fight you all the way up. Plates are laid out carefully. Chalk lines mark the exact positions of walls, and every measurement is double checked. This step takes patience, but it saves huge headaches later. 3. Standing the walls. Then comes one of the most visible parts, raising the walls. Crews assemble sections flat on the ground, studs, plates, headers for doors and windows, and then lift them into place. It's a big moment when the first wall goes vertical. Suddenly, you're not just looking at lines on a plan, you're walking through actual rooms. This is where clients can say, "That's my kitchen," or "This is the office space." It's both technical and emotional. 4. Tools of the trade. Framing has evolved, but it's still a craft. Carpenters today rely on modern tools, pneumatic nailers, laser levels, impact drivers, but the fundamentals are the same as they were 100 years ago. Measure twice, cut once. The rhythm of a framing crew is something special. Sawdust flying, nail guns popping, hammers tapping. It's organized chaos that produces precision. 5. Structural integrity. Framing isn't just about shape, it's about strength. Every connection matters, and from hurricane ties that hold trusses in place to sheer walls that resist wind and seismic forces. Codes and inspections ensure safety, but a good crew goes beyond bare minimums. At Samson Construction, we frame with longevity in mind. We're not just building for today, we're building for decades to come. 6. Teamwork on the job site. One thing you'll notice on Framing Day is the teamwork. Crews move like a unit. One person cuts, another measures, another drives fasteners, and others raise walls into place. Timing is everything, especially when handling heavy sections. Communication, trust, and skill are what make the process smooth and safe. For us, that's part of the culture on every site. Every worker looking out for the other. 7. The moment of transformation. For clients and owners, Framing Day is a turning point. Before this, they've seen excavations, forms, concrete slabs. But those are abstract. When framing begins, spaces suddenly become real. You can stand in a doorway, look out a window opening, walk the hallway. There's a thrill to it. The project is no longer just an idea. It's becoming a tangible reality. So that's Framing Day, the stage when bones are set, walls rise, and ideas turn into structure. It's noisy, fast-paced, and sometimes exhausting, but it's also one of the most rewarding milestones on a job site. At Samson Construction, we believe this is where craftsmanship meets vision. Every stud, every joint, every plate we set is part of the promise we make to deliver a building that stands strong and serves well. Thanks for joining us on this job site tour. Be sure to subscribe to Samson Construction TV for more episodes, where we'll continue sharing both timeless wisdom and real-world construction practices.